system. Components. How to connect it. What is a fire alarm system? Fire alarm system is designed to alert us to an emergency so that we can take action to protect ourselves, staff, and the general public. Fire alarms are found in offices, factories, and public buildings. They are a part of our everyday routine but are often overlooked until there is an emergency, at which point they might just save our lives. Components of the fire alarm system. 1. Fire alarm control panel. The fire alarm control panel, commonly abbreviated as FACU, is the system's brain. It receives messages from the initiating devices, also known as inputs, and performs the following functions. 1. Turning on notifications. 2. HVAC system shutdown. 3. Notifying alarm monitoring center. 2. Fire alarm detectors. There are a wide array of fire alarm detectors, but we can divide them into groups including heat detectors, smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, multi-sensor detectors, manual call points. Three fire alarm sounders. Fire alarm sounders and beacons provide an audible and visual warning in the event of a fire, ensuring that everyone on the premises is alerted to the potential danger. Fire alarm control panel interface. The following figure shows the interface of a type of fire alarm control panel. The interface shows the common status indicators, zone status indicators, and operating indicators. Terminals on the control board. The figure shows the internal terminals of the control board. Fire alarm system wiring diagram.